Busy little tractor. Busy little tractor, so shiny and bright. He loves how he sparkles in the morning light. He revs his engine, set for a hectic day. His first morning chore is to gather the hay. He drives to the fields where he plows and plants the seeds that will feed the cows. On his way past the chickens, he drops extra seeds. A yummy little treat is what every chicken needs. He pulls at the broken barn door and sets it right. Now all of the animals will be safe tonight. With his shovel he digs up mud from a pond. He plops it down by the pigs so it can roll all around. He brings back the goats who have wandered away and helps fix the fence so they can no longer stray. Then it's off to his shed, covered in dirt and grime, wishing once again that he could sparkle and shine. The shed door swings open, and what does he see? All of the thankful farm animals came to wash him clean. Goodbye, grime, dirt, and stains. The animals scrub until only the sparkle remains. The busy little tractor rests with pride. Once again, he's the shiniest tractor in the countryside. The end.